Sige nga, pakinggan nga natin si Ombudsman Remulla tungkol sa SALN. Tingnan natin kung anong sinasabi niya.
It's going to be policy. Inahahanda lang namin yung mechanics. But next week baka pwede na eh. Baka we start releasing this already.
So by next week po, may mga...
Salen. Oh.
As early as next week?
This coming, yeah, as early as next week. I will ask them to make available this information. But of course, we need requesting parties to ask for the information. Wag naman blanket. Baka naman tingin nyo sa amin yung buong file. Mahirap yan, di ba? Hindi naman tama. Tsaka baka ma-weaponize ang kailangan dyan. May undertaking tayo pag kumukuha tayo. Para ng public interest pa rin. Lahat yan. Pati kami. Sama kami dyan. Ano lang may re-redact lang tayo. Siyempre may mga privacy matters na ating kailangan i-redact.
Okay naman pala. Akala ko ba bias? Kayo talaga